Hey, what's up, country style family? Art here with you again, and I'm excited. I've got something to tell you, and I hope you guys are going to like it. It's really going to be a country style programming alert. Yeah, there's something coming up that I need to tell you about. So take a minute and go and get whatever you need to write some notes down, because you're going to need them, and then stand by because I'm going to tell you all about it. It's going to be country style, baby.
Move! Go.
There he is again. All right, so you're back. Now, here's the deal. You know the holidays are approaching, and I know that a lot of you are busy, you got things to do, and your calendars fill up fast, right? So here's what I want you to do. I want you to mark down now, December 3rd. December 3rd, and here's what we're going to be doing. Are you ready for this? We are doing the first annual holiday country style day party. That's right, it's going to be a day party. I'm rounding up the whole country style family, and I'm bringing them to Atlanta, Georgia for a day party. Now get this is not a grill off. It's not a family cookout. It's a day party where it's your chance to just hang out with us. It's a meet and greet. It's a party, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun. And here's the best part. They're all coming. They're all going to be there, all the family.
Everybody just can't cook, and the sooner they realize that, the better off they'll be. No, it never happened.
Yeah, they'll be here. Jism's gonna be here, and of course, you know he's gonna be talking trash. Den Finn will be here. The Dragon will be here. Niece Muffin.
I'm excited! Yeah.
Want some? Come and get some.
Little Stevie. Cleve. All the family, you know them all.
Thumbs up.
And here's the best part. It's the perfect time for you to pick up all of your country style holiday gift items. Yeah, Jism's gonna be there. He's gonna have some of his sauce, his rub. He'll be there selling it. Country style Jism rub. Den Finn will have his sauce and rubs and maybe even some wine. Cleve's gonna be there. He'll definitely have his wine, and you know how much y'all love Cleve's wine. Just spring water in a milk jug. That's all it is, spring water. There's your rice right there.
There's the rice.
Hezekiah is gonna have his world famous chicken bog that he'll be serving up. And there'll be all of your country style merchandise that you can wear. It's the perfect time to pick up stuff for either yourself or for that person in your family that loves our country style merchandise. Hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, caps, you name it, we've got it. Look at me. Look at this sweatshirt I'm wearing. I love this thing, and I wear my ball cap all the time. So it's your chance to come pick up some items while they last. Now, I do need to go over the logistics for you, and this is the important part. Again, it's a day party, December 3rd from 1 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. That's 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. It's an indoor party. The doors will not open until 1 o'clock. Now, the location is the legendary Ford Hall. That's located at 3418 Dogwood Drive, Hateville, Georgia. Hateville is right next to the Atlanta airport. Now, there'll be a DJ, there's going to be light food, a cash bar, and a lot of fun and prizes, and we'll be doing a whole lot of crazy stuff out there. Get your tickets now because they will likely sell out. Let me repeat that again. They will likely sell out. They're available on EVENTBRITE under the Country Style Day Party. That's EVENTBRITE Country Style Day Party. And you can also pay at the door if there's still space available, but we don't have any guarantees on that one.
Oh, and look who else done joined us. The fireman's here.
I'm telling you, this is going to be so much fun. It's a holiday day party with the Country Style family in Atlanta, Georgia. Come on out and join us. Be there on December 3rd, and I can guarantee you one thing. Yeah, you already know. We're going to be trisolating. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, yeah. Trisolating. Yeah. We'll see you on the 3rd. Well, and just one last thing. This is a personal one. Hey, if you haven't already, would you subscribe to our channel? Hit the like button. You know, we try to get all the subscribers we can get, and we're always trying to build more, trying to grow our family, of which you are a part of. So would you subscribe and help us out a little bit? I'd appreciate that. Again, see you on December 3rd, all right? Come party with us. And again, for your tickets, go to eventbrite.com. The link is in the description to the video.